So this is another repairability video for 21381 Brenda Drive, McCalla, Alabama. Gonna do this damaged shingle here that's above the other two repairs that we did. I'm gonna remove the nails 3 layers up. As you said in the email, we're gonna remove try to remove these nails. This is 12 is the hip value of 45 degrees, so you can just see the height of the shingle. So we're just gonna, to replace this, we're gonna remove these nails above, as you said in the email, to use the snake to remove 3 layers up. As you can see here, I'm going to be removing these nails. Okay, so we're not lifting above 12. So, and you can see here, I'm using the roof snake flat to pop that out. So we've gotten those nails out. We're gonna go one more up here. So we got that nail. This shingle is tearing. So 1, 2, 3. I think we can come to this one, pop that out. There's another nail right here. So I'm using the roof snake. Gonna pop that nail. Same here. That way we're not going all the way up under. Alright. So now that we've gotten the 2 layers above the shingle removed, we're gonna pop the nails out of the current shingle that's the wind damaged shingle here. That's about 45 degrees. Oh, you can see. So that's the height that we're trying to stay at, is there. Okay, so we've got almost all the nails. Just want to make sure. Okay, there's a nail here. Oh. Somebody put a high nail on this thing. Okay, so hold the nail out. So we've removed the nails 1, 2, 3. We're to repair this guy here. So removing the nail from this, it pulled through the nail strip, so it's still stuck, but we got it here. Okay, we're almost there. Now I'm working on the shingle that's damaged here, so I'm not lifting up 2 layers above to get to this shingle. I'm just working on the one above here, just to see. There's a nail right here, so that would be in this layer above the damaged shingle. I'm going to remove that nail. Okay, so we're using the roof snake. It's flat with the pitch. I'm not lifting the shingle anymore. My hand All right, so the nail is still located in here. If you can shine the video up under here, you see that nail. We're gonna remove that nail with the roof snake. See right here? So the roof snake is flat with the pitch of the roof. We're at 12, we're right at 12, 45 degrees. And we're gonna, okay. All right, so we have the roof nail out. Now let's look at this shingle and see if anything. So we've got a small tear. Can you see that in the video? There's a small tear right there. Okay, all right, you can back up a little bit. And there's another tear on this shingle. This one also came apart, but I'm trying not to mess with it anymore to damage the shingle because I don't want to damage the shingle. But there was a piece that came apart under here. I just can't, I don't want to move it any. I'm scared that I don't want to damage it anymore. Okay, so we're gonna slide that shingle out. We're gonna put in a new shingle here. Slide. Okay. So you see, I'm gonna slide that in. Okay. Now, we've got the shingle in place. We used a roof snake to remove 1, 2, 3 layers of nails in each individual shingle. We tried our best to leave the shingle no higher than, that's 45 degrees, okay? So the roof snake is, you know, less, to remove a nail, it's gonna be less than 45. Pulling that out. Now we did have to break the bonding on this shingle here. This did break, it's really thin, but I'm trying to use a flat bar or just a paint just to try to break that. I understand that could be an accident, but this right here is torn. This shingle is torn. Same thing with this shingle is torn. When you remove the nail with the roof snake, your last nail here, it pops and this tears. We've got a tear here. And we've got one right here. You can see this. I didn't notice that. This could have been from the roofs. This right here, doing the nail, removing the nail like that. This is tearing. So we're gonna put some nails in this guy. All right, I'm gonna lift the shingle, put the nail so we see. All right, we're gonna put one more. Just for the video, we're gonna make this a little shorter. So, nail. Now see, the nail did not go on the shingle. I'm gonna do that one more time. Let's see. All right, so we've got 2 nails for the video purpose. We've got a damaged shingle here, here. We've got to put a couple of more nails in this other 2 shingles here, the ones that were removed. We're gonna just keep it short for the video. We're gonna put a couple of nails. We're gonna lift that up just enough to get the roof snake under there at an angle so that that nail will hit strike the nails on. Okay, so we've got a nail. You can see right here, Savannah, show the camera. See the indention in the shingle. We've got to have the roof snake go up at least far enough to get into that nail strip, okay? So we've got a little bit of damage there. All right. We're gonna lift up just enough to get under that nail strip there. Put this down. All right, that nail is in. There's still a little bit of a difference there with the roof snake. Doesn't go flush. The nail is sticking up a little bit. So we've got to try to at least hammer that in. Now I still only brought that shingle up. To hammer that shingle, I mean, you're talking, 40 degrees maybe. So a tear. Got a couple more tears. Probably need to put a nail back in this other shingle. We're gonna get okay. So for the purpose of the video, put 2 nails in each shingle here just to hold them for the video. But we did a repairability video. Repaired this damaged area here. We'll put a couple of nails here, one here to hold that in place, one here. We're gonna add one more actually. Just for video purposes, we want to put one more nail in to here. Let's make sure that we don't damage anything further. Okay, so the nail is in. You see the difference with see how the nail is sticking up a little bit? So we put the nail in. Again, we do need to lift this up a little bit or somehow so I'm gonna put the nail flat on top of that, or put the roof snake on top of the nail head to try to get it to go down flush. See, we've got a flush nail. Okay, so we're good there. A little bit of damage on the tab, not much, just a little scuff. But it looks like tear. This one was from the beginning. And that concludes our repairability video. Thank you.